Colorado courts are overwhelmed by the number of family law cases like divorce and custody battles right now. Some judges have hundreds of open cases, and the majority of those coming in don't have a lawyer. There's now a push to change that. Karen Morfitt taking a look at the proposal fix tonight. Karen, this change would give families a new option for representation.
That's right, Michael. And right now, the state Supreme Court has already given the initial green light to this program. It would give someone the opportunity to obtain a limited legal license where they would focus solely on this area of law. The whole goal is to make getting counsel more affordable.
Esther Perigo knew navigating a divorce with two small children would be difficult and emotional, but hiring an attorney wasn't an option.
I would have had to, file bankruptcy, really, or have my debt just piling up.
She was fortunate to find Amy Gosha, who took her case for free. Most will end up going it alone.
Essentially, 1 out of 4 didn't have an attorney.
Highlighting a problem that Gosha and other legal experts are now trying to address by establishing a licensed legal paraprofessional, a more affordable alternative to a lawyer.
An attorney, bills at a certain hourly rate, and that just really caps out certain people from even getting some help.
Maha Kamal, founder of the Colorado Family Law Project, is among those working to launch that program, including setting up the requirements to obtain that license.
There's a 1,500-hour training qualifications component that is under the supervision of an attorney. There's a bar exam.
The cost is one benefit, but it could also help ease a backlog of cases that many counties already have.
For an LLP to be there and to help somebody understand what we need to focus on.
Perigo wishes it was an option for her.
And I just feel like having someone on your side.
Now, the Colorado Supreme Court will have the final approval on this limited license program. Right now, they want to hear from the public about how something like this might benefit families. You can share your stories up until September 14th, and we have all of the information on how you can do that online at cbsnewscolorado.com. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
All right, Karen, thank you. Well,